Welcome back to another video. We are at Jollibee. We're about to head on in and grab us some food. Let's go.
Okay, we finally made it back and we're excited to try Jollibee with you guys. So what we have here is, let me show them.
Yeah.
So we got the original chicken wings and we have the spicy ones. Flakes are so cute. Then we have over here some mashed potatoes and gravy here. And then we have little gravies on the side for our chicken. And then we have palapa, which has eggs. This is our first time trying this. When we went to Jollibee, we had just the original chicken, their gravy, and some spaghetti. So this is the spaghetti with the hot dogs. And Avery, what'd you get?
Aloha
Sandwich.
So I'm excited to try that.
All right, let's dig in. Oh, and also we got the peach mango. And we tried the peach mango, but we haven't tried the ube.
I haven't tried either.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, kidding, then I did. But I haven't tried the ube one, so I'm pretty excited.
Okay, let's see how this tastes.
Okay, I haven't got the spicy one, so.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's spicy too. But it's so moist. I'm gonna try it with some gravy.
I can see why they're known for their chicken. It's super good. And isn't Jollibee like the #1 fast food chain in the Philippines? You know?
I'm not sure. I'm just shaking.
This is good.
I'm shaking my head. And when I shake my head, it's like, dang, that's good. Wow. It's so moist and juicy. I mean, it is good how it is, but when you dip in the gravy, it just balances out.
Yeah, this is really good. Jollibee is a little further out from where we are. We drove about an hour and 15 minutes to get there, another hour and 15 minutes to get back. So that's why I'm surprised that this chicken is still in this condition. I thought it was gonna be like soggy and all that, but it's actually really good.
I actually want to try some gravy. I mean, some mashed potatoes and gravy with this. I don't know if you want some.
Never try some.
Okay. Whoa. Actually, I'm going to scoop some out. I have not tried their mashed potato before, so this is my first time.
Same.
It's pretty decent, yeah.
You could do with some salt.
I think it's perfect.
Need some salt in there. But other than that, it's good.
A bit too, yeah, it'll be too salty.
With a little, there's no salt.
There's salt.
There's no salt. Is it?
Yeah. Mmm. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. I want to try this. And you ordered 2 of these. Two spaghettis.
Yeah, one for you and one for me.
Okay, here.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's been a while since I've had these. So. I'm trying to find like the...
That's such an interesting taste.
the hot dog.
I don't like hot dog at all, but it fits well with this.
Did you even have the hot dog? Did you take a bite of the hot dog? Let's see. On top. Mmm. It's sweet, but it's well balanced. It's like sweet, but it's not overly sweet.
Like, what's the sweetness in there? What do you think that is? Like,
I think people were saying like it's condensed milk.
condensed milk?
Yeah, I don't know. If you guys know, let us know.
This is good.
Yeah. You're eating pretty fast.
Yeah, I need to slow down. I'm hella hungry.
I mean, we still have your sandwich to try. Wow,
Yeah,
that's really good.
Okay, I'm gonna finish this piece of chicken. And I'll be ready for the pabalak.
Yeah,
Palabak?
palabok. Hope we're saying it right.
Yeah, hopefully. I don't, you know.
All right, are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get started. I love that they have the eggs
Yeah.
here, but I also think they have like shrimp too.
This smells really... I know I'm gonna like this. I'm definitely gonna like this.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's give it a try. Excuse me.
Interesting.
It's a different texture
Yeah.
for me, but the flavor is good. Is there like onion flavor or like garlic that's in here,
Like, it's probably both.
or both?
What do you think of the noodles?
They're okay. I don't know. I feel like this is not like... I'd rather choose the spaghetti than this. Like, would I personally order again? Probably not. How about you?
It has a very strong earthy flavor.
I see that. Yeah.
Like shrimp. Is that shrimp?
Where?
In here.
Yeah, I think there's shrimp in here too. Like very small.
The flavor of the shrimp is very strong. It's really good. But after more and more bites, it can become very overpowering.
Yep. I see that. Like I can have a little, like a few bites here and there with this.
Yeah. A few bites and that's good. No, that's really good though.
It's so good. but it's not my favorite.
Mm.
Versus like this is my favorite.
Yeah, this one, the Pulabuk or Pubbaluk, tastes very seafoody. I do want to try the Aloha. I think these are limited edition.
Oh,
Yeah, these are limited edition.
that looks crispy.
Oh, is that spicy? Well, we're about to see.
What's in there?
Cheese. I think it's a pineapple in here. Some unami sauce.
You wanna show them?
Yeah. It's the Aloha Chicken sandwich. Dang, this looks spicy.
Yeah, I think you ordered the wrong one. I don't know, we'll see.
We'll see.
And you guys already know how, when it comes to spice, can't handle it. Is it spicy?
No. It's not.
I see that there's bait. It looks well seasoned.
It's a little on the colder side because of the dry back, but
That's actually pretty good.
yeah, it's pretty good. The pineapple in there gives it that really nice sweet flavor.
Smells like pineapple. And
Yeah.
then there's I see that there's bacon in there. So
Oh yeah, there is. Yep.
so it's kind of like a balance.
Yeah.
It's a balance.
And then the unami sauce. I think that's what it's called, unami sauce.
Yeah, with pineapple, that's pretty good. If you guys haven't tried that, I would recommend it. Give it a try.
Oh, that's really good.
You know what you should do? You should put some gravy on the top. You know what? I'm gonna do that. All right, here we go. Whoa. I'm put a little bit more because the gravy's so good. All right, here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Give it a try.
With
At
the
least
gravy?
try it, yeah. At least, I mean, put some on.
There's some right here. We also stopped to get lumpias too.
Oh yeah.
And
I never had a lupias.
and you tried it. What was your experience with it?
It was, I mean, it was good, but I was thinking it would be better. I feel like I can also make lumpias too, because I make egg rolls on the side. But they're fun to eat because they're more smaller. I think everyone makes it different too.
Because the one you had wasn't as crunchy, right?
Yeah, it was like, yeah, it wasn't crunchy at all.
And you prefer your egg rolls crunchy.
A little bit more fresh too.
And I think lumpia is the Filipino egg roll.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna keep it close to me because I feel like I'm gonna spill it everywhere.
Yeah, this is strong. That flavor.
Well, I'm glad we gave it a try too.
So we actually took off. We took off today from work to drive to Chicago. Chicago, right? We drove to Chicago and grabbed some Jollibee. Which, you know, it's great that we took off too. Because I feel like after this, I'm gonna go into a food coma.
I'm right behind you. Yeah. Dimly. This one.
Oh. We also have chicken adobo.
Oh, we got
chicken adobo and pork adobo, right?
Yeah. The Jollibee that we went to there was another supermarket there. And it's a Filipino supermarket. And they had a lot of, what was it? Vendors? Or like food vendors?
Like little food vendor areas.
And yeah, we just picked up some. That chicken's so moist. And the spicy chicken is like actually really spicy.
Like, you gotta drink some water spicy?
Well, if I eat enough.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how spicy?
Like a 4 or 5.
Oh, really?
Yeah, usually like with spicy, like fast food, it's like a 0.5, 1. You know, it's not so spicy. But this one is actually spicy. Which I like. And I can handle spice. I'm always eating like Thai chili peppers on the side. And just eating that. Wow.
Get the Aloha Chicken sandwich, for real. Hopefully they have this when we go back next time.
I'm sure they do. Isn't it their main? It's not?
It's like a limited time sandwich.
Oh, they say that? I didn't know. But yeah, if there's a Jollibee around you guys, I definitely recommend getting the Aloha sandwich. It's so moist, and with this gravy, this is so cute. My foot is asleep.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why are you making that face?
Out of all this,
which one's my
which
favorite?
one's your favorite?
The Aloha sandwich.
Okay. I see that.
Yours? Spaghetti.
Which one? Yeah. You think? Yeah. The thing about me is like, I will save the best for last. So I'll eat everything else, but I'll save the best for last. And there's people that will eat the best first.
And then nibble on the rest.
Which one are you guys?
I'm personally, like, I like to eat my favorite first. So then, like, you know, I ensure that I have enough room in my stomach to finish it. And then the stuff that I least like, I'll just nibble on it.
Okay. See, me, I say it for last because it's like the best way to end it versus like me eating it first and it's like, oh, I'm sad. It's not satisfying how it was in the beginning. So.
I am full. You full?
Well, I'm content. But I'm ready for dessert.
Let's do it. Hold on, one more bite. This unami sauce. I wonder what unami sauce is.
Or what is it made of?
This will probably have to be like once a month type of meal, you know?
Once a month? For you? For me, it's like probably like once every 3 months. It's like a treat for me. Or maybe like once every 6 months. So like twice a year.
That's it?
I'm kidding. Probably 3 months.
Once every 3 months?
Just kidding. Yep. once every 3 months. Which one should we try first? Well,
Mango.
the mango? You haven't tried this.
Yeah.
I have.
Let's save the untried, the not
Last.
tried for last.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess these are like deep fried. Let me see. It's very crispy. Alright, should I just do it in half?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Okay. It's like the McDonald's pastries.
I don't know.
All right, let's test this out. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but let's see.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Been a while. It's soft. It's soft on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
It's crispy on the outside. And let me show you guys how it looks. Oh no. Okay, I can't let it have it focus, but yeah, I see that there's peach in here.
Is
More,
it?
yeah. This is peach mango.
Mm.
And then maybe the filling here is mango.
That's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's actually pretty good. I like. It's not too sweet for me.
Because other places have it more like flowery.
Yeah, like if you go to McDonald's, it'll be like disgusting. I'm sorry, but
Yeah.
McDonald's is nasty. But this is actually pretty good. And then
Yeah.
the pastry itself is crunchy. It's not too doughy. It's really good.
It's really
Wow.
good. Yeah.
Jollibee.
Jollibee. All right, let's get started.
Oh, we didn't even use the lemon juice. What's this for?
Our chicken, probably?
You know what this is probably for?
Huh.
The palabok noodle dish.
Really? Oh. Is it, guys?
Is this lemon juice? What is this for? Were we supposed to use it with the noodle dish?
Or with the chicken?
Or with the chicken? No, the gravy's with the chicken. Yeah, this was for the noodle dish.
Whoops.
This might have evened out that strongness. Let's hold on, because we gotta try it for you guys, you know. We just gotta try it for you guys. Let's see if it's gonna, you know, kind of even it out, that strong taste. Let's see what it does. Okay.
I'm gonna have you try it.
Yep, so it's this noodle dish here with the egg in it. So let me pour a little bit more. Okay, let's see what it does.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah. That's what it was missing.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still strong, but that's definitely what it was missing.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
It was missing
Yeah.
that extra. It cancels out that more powerful seafood taste, that shrimp, and then it just adds that extra layer of flavor from the lemon juice to completely just give that a well-rounded balance. So we've been watching MasterChef for like the past week. I just had a moment, a Gordon Ramsay moment, as if I was critiquing someone's dish. But no, it really does. You didn't have to laugh at me like that. Oh, wait. It was good.
That's really good.
It is.
I like the tartness of the lemon juice.
No, you're trying to do it. But no, in all seriousness though, it is really good. This is super good. This just brings out that flavor. It's good.
All right, let's try this. Ooh, it has like a purple line, as you can see. Maybe it tells the staff like this one is ube, probably. Right?
Or maybe it's to tell us that it's ube.
Or both. Whoa!
What is ube?
It is a potato.
It's a potato?
Yeah, it's a potato base. Like, from the potato family. Oh no,
good.
so, I'm so sorry. Yams. Yeah.
Is it yam a potato?
I don't know. Yams are different from potatoes.
But it's part of the potato family.
The family, yeah. Yeah. It's,
All right, let's see.
oh. Oh. Mmm. Well,
I like that.
I like that too.
I like that. This is different.
I wouldn't expect this to be this good.
Yeah, it's like a. So it's a purple potato.
A purple yam.
Purple yam. Yeah, this is really good.
This is really good. It's like sweet. It's soft. It's crunchy.
Yeah, again, with the pastry, it's just it's really crunchy. It does what it's supposed to do. It's not soggy. None of that. They did a really good job.
Yeah, I'm gonna save that for last.
You hear that? Listen to this.
A little ASMR moment there.
That's really good.
It's so crunchy. Try this one again. This one's good too. But in my preference, this one's better. It's different.
Yeah.
I wouldn't expect this to be this good.
Yeah.
Wow, the crunch.
Yeah, look at this. There's nothing there. I mean, as far as like doughy, no doughiness. Hard. They did a good job.
Did a great job.
And the reason why I'm so taken back by this is because, again, if you go to one of these fast food chain restaurants such as McDonald's or Burger King or any one of them, the food is like half cooked. It's like there's no balance. Like they'll give you a dessert, but it's all just mush. But for I'm assuming that this is like fast food. For a fast food chain to cook a pastry like this well, this crunchy, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Because McDonald's could never. I'm just being real. So, yeah. Wow. You got anything else that you want to say about Jollibee?
I think it's one of my number one fast food chain.
It's the only fast food chain that I'm going to. Because we don't really eat fast food like
No.
that. If at all.
Yeah, we're more of a home cook.
Home cooked meals. And when we're starting to go organic meals. So this is breaking that, but it was well worth it for sure. Shout out to Norjana Dumlao for even recommending that we try Jollibee and do a video for you guys of
Jollibee.
What did I say?
Jollibee.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
And we will see you guys in the next video.
Peace. Good. Oh, you're good.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah, we're good.